Look at that smile, huh?
Oh, look at the smile. Are you recording this now? Look at that smile. People stop me on the street and ask me how I got this smile.
So silly.
No, I'm serious about that. That's Dr. Messer. He really changed my whole mouth.
He was very different. They said good morning to me, have a nice weekend or nice day. And that means a lot when somebody, shows an interest in you.
My name is Philip Messer. I'm a dentist. When a patient comes into our office, we make it seem like they're the only patient in our office. We have total focus on them.
Our practice is definitely based on relationships. We want to form relationships with our patients because then we know what their needs are and we can have a dialogue with them as to what they want, what they expect.
Dr. Messer, in addition to being talented and motivated, he's like a regular guy. He just tries to relate to people.
When you come to Dr. Messer's office, it's a very personal approach. We get to know each and every patient.
We're different. We strive to be different. There are practices that rely on patients shuffling in and out, and we strive to not be like that. We'll talk to you about what your wants are, what your needs are. Your needs may be different than somebody else's needs. Your wants may be different than somebody else's wants. We really try to make our care individualized.
Dr. Messer is an awesome clinician. He's an artist. It's the best work I've ever seen in my entire dental career. He takes his time, he takes photos, he hands the patient a mirror, look at this. He takes photos and puts them up on the screen in front of the patient and said, this is what I see, what do you see? What would you like to change? It's all what the patient wants.
He's really up to date on a lot of the modern techniques, which is so important because unfortunately, what happens with a lot of professionals, you get complacent in what you're doing. And you forget about the fact that there's new stuff coming down the pike that's going to be so much better.
I think that he's up on all the newest procedures.
He's got the newest gadgets.
And
There's
the
no
newest
doubt in my
equipment.
mind.
People go to the dentist and they'll be afraid. I want them to be comfortable. I want them to know what I'm doing. I don't want any mysteries.
Dentistry can be done to you, for you, or with you. We kind of try to get it out in the open so that there's no surprises. Ultimately, it leads to better dentistry.
He worked right alongside with me, and he'd tell me what was going on, and it just kind of relaxed me.
I feel that dentistry can impact anyone's life. The fact that we can make them healthy and improve their smile improves how they feel about themselves.
I didn't realize how I was affected by the condition of my teeth until now, till the case was finished. I know I look good, and he gave me that ability to feel that way, so very thankful for it.
Very grateful I am.
Beyond anything I could ask for.
I absolutely love what I do. I get to help people every day. Every day is a little bit different, and it's always a pleasure waking up and going to the office, and I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world.